and welcome to today's video. As you guys have seen in my title and as you can see by looking at my face, I'm an e-girl today. And if you guys don't know what an e-girl is, it's just kind of like this new trend that's on TikTok. I'm not going to go into the whole explanation of it, but this is how they do their makeup, with like a lot of blush on my nose and blush on my cheeks and then a very thick dark eyeliner. And so I went for it today and I tried it out. I will say that I did try a new look on my eyes. As you guys can see, I have a glitter cut crease going on, and I think I may have created a new makeup hack as to how to get your glitter on your eyes and make it stay on your eyes and not transfer all over the place. So if you guys want to see how I got my peachy e-girl look, and if you guys want to see this amazing new makeup hack that is a new makeup hack not only to me but to the community, I think, please keep watching. Okay guys, I'm trying something new, and bear with me because this could honestly be like a new hack. So I'm gonna get real with you guys for just a minute here. I don't know what it is about my eye shape, but I can't ever really get a really good cut crease. So I just kind of maybe created a hack yesterday. I was just like playing around and I found some glitter and I was like, I don't know how to get this glitter to stick down onto my eyes. And then I was like, just use eyelash glue, bitch. That's what I'm gonna try to do on my eyelids right now. My entire eyelid will be covered with lash glue. And I don't know if this is gonna work. So we're gonna just try it and we're gonna see how it goes. And you guys are probably sitting there like, bitch, that's not gonna work. What are you thinking? You're gonna hurt your eyeballs. And I might, I don't know. But I'm gonna try. So today, obviously, we're gonna be doing this e-girl look. I'm not an e-girl. I'm not even close. But I'm gonna trick you into thinking that I am. I just did my foundation, I've done my brows, I've kind of done some contour, and we're gonna wait and do blush and some highlighter, I think, last, and then maybe lips, because I don't have anything on my lips right now. I was playing around yesterday, found some glitters, figured out that this linglot glitter, what I thought was a glitter, is actually just a loose shadow. And so I'm gonna do that on my entire eyelid, and then we're gonna do a nice thick black wing, like an e-girl wing, and then we're gonna pop some lashes on and pray. I'm so scared. I feel like I'm gonna mess this up so bad, and it's so hard to get glue off. Also, I should tell you before I place glue on my eyelids, there's nothing on my eyelids right now. I've found that it works better if you just have bare skin with the lash glue and then you put the pigments on top. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this is literally just me saying, this is what I found because I tested it on my hand twice last night. That's it. So we're gonna see how it goes on my eye. I'm taking an E.L.F. Mini concealer brush. It looks like this. It's this little teeny tiny flat brush. And this is what I'm gonna use. And I'm basically just gonna go into the pigment from linglot and I'm just gonna like bring it up onto my brush and then like push it down onto my eye gently. And hopefully this works. So I'm gonna take my little glue. So far it's looking okay. Like it's looking like the shape I want it to be, so that's good. I'm just trying to smooth it out as much as I possibly can. And now I'm gonna go in with those pigments. The faster that you get this set down, the faster you can like move normally. Because once the powder and like the shadow goes on, it basically stops being sticky. So I did get some glue on my eyelashes, so they're kind of sticking right now, but you can see that it's actually like looking really shiny and like what I wanted it to look like. So I'm taking that as a W, guys. I'm gonna do my thing and I'm gonna put my flashlight on my eye. Look at it! It looks so good, guys. And it's really not like moving around. Like obviously I'm gonna have some glitter and stuff on my cheek right now because it fell out a little bit because it's literally a loose pigment, but you guys can see what it looks like and how it catches the light. So like if you're going out to like a club, obviously you can't right now because of the coronavirus, and I totally understand, but this could be like literally a life hack. And I'm so excited because it's gonna be my life hack, at least for now, because I'm so bad. And like, guys, I can't tell you how comfortable this feels. Like, it doesn't feel like there's something chunky, like glitter on my eye. It feels like really smooth, and I'm literally digging it so much. This is my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, guys, and it's beautiful. I'll open it up and show you if I haven't already. I'm sorry if I have, but it looks like this. So I'm gonna start off kind of slow, actually. I'm gonna take the shade Perfectionist over here, and I'm just gonna pop that right above it, just to blend. Oh yeah, wow, that looks so pretty. Yeah, perfect. That's actually kind of maybe all I wanna do. Maybe that and a little bit of positivity. This is just gonna give it a little bit more of that smoky kind of dramatic look. And I didn't wanna do this to my crease beforehand because I didn't wanna lay powder down, because I feel like that would kind of negate the purpose of laying down that glue on the bare skin. I'm gonna go into that shade Certified, that like white shade, and just kind of buff this in here. Yeah, I'm in it, guys. Wait, that's a shade. That's right here. And I'm gonna go back into that shade Perfectionist a little bit. I'm gonna go into the shade Positivity. It's this beautiful peachy color. Guys, I'm looking e-girl AF. Until I throw on my black liner. Who am I? This is like Lazy Girl Guide to Cut Crease. I'm also gonna smoke out my under eye with the same like peachy tone. So yeah, so that it kind of matches. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye now. I'm gonna lay down my glue, and then I'm gonna lay down my shadow pigments on top. And then we'll blend it out just the same as the other one. So I'll be right back. Also, don't bother doing like any sort of concealer or anything underneath your eyes before this. I literally just kind of dragged my foundation up when I was doing my foundation. But doing concealer is honestly pointless because there's so much glitter underneath my eyes. You guys really can't see it. Maybe you can on this, but there's like a lot of glitter. So I have to redo underneath my eyes anyways. So I barely put any foundation on there so that I could blend it a lot easier. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes. And I know it looks probably like really white right now, but I'm gonna be going in with like a shit ton of blush. So I want this to set down nicely. So I'm gonna be taking a pencil brush, my BH number 10 brush, and I'm gonna be going back into that palette, my Jaclyn Hill number 2 palette. I'm gonna dip into Perfectionist and Positivity. I'm gonna be smoking that out underneath my lash line. Just blending it together. Same thing on the other eye. And I know you guys are probably looking at my eyes right now as I'm blending, and you're seeing that like the glitter like abruptly cuts off, and it's because I'm gonna be going over with a wing anyway, so you're not gonna see it. So I didn't kind of really care where it ended because I was gonna be covering it up with eyeliner anyways. Now, before I go in with actual eyeliner, I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia brush. It's just like my little brow brush, their number 12 brush. So I'm gonna get my shade Temptress from my Jaclyn Hill number 2 palette, and it's this dark, obviously black shade here. So I'm gonna sketch my liner out first on my eye so that I know where I want it to lay. And I'm gonna be using a mirror because I need to make this wing as perfect as possible. I just kind of wanted to draw the shape first, and then I'm gonna go in with liquid liner. So this is just shadow first and then liquid liner after. Why does it always happen to me? So I have my shape all traced out for my eyeliner. I'm gonna be taking my Morphe ink liner. It is a felt tip liner. And I'm gonna just be kind of filling this in with the shape that I just drew on there, and then kind of just connecting it along my lash line, and that's basically it. Ooh, that is so nice. Okay, got the bottom kind of filled in. Now we're gonna connect the top. So all I did was just go over with a little bit more of my pressed pigment and some glue, and just clean up around that wing on this side, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side too. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay liner in Perversion, and I'm just gonna fill in the corner of my eye here. Okay, so my eyes are basically done. I'm just gonna throw on mascara and pop on some lashes, and then I'll be right back. So I threw my mascara on, and then now I'm gonna pop on my lashes by House of Lashes. These are the Iconic lashes by House of Lashes. So eyelashes are on. They're looking so pretty, and I have so much makeup on this contact I can't see out of it. So we're gonna go in with blush now. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Peach, and we're gonna pop it on my cheeks, and I'm gonna try and concentrate it a little bit more here, and then on the tip of my nose as well. Okay. Buff this out. Okay, so I've got blush on my face, everywhere on my face. My cheeks look windburnt AF, as they're supposed to. I'm gonna draw in some fake freckles now. So we're gonna go in with my two Aveda liners in Cacao and Sepia. Sepia, I don't know how you say it, that's how I say it. And I'm just gonna start drawing like little freckles on my nose. I'm kind of just gonna go in this area here, right, a little bit there, kind of where my natural freckles are. And I'm just gonna start drawing little dots. Actually gonna use my mirror so I can see a little bit better, but you can kind of see that they're showing up already. Gonna look cute AF. So I've kind of dotted those on. I'm gonna blend them out with a beauty blender and with my finger a little bit. So that's how I draw my freckles on. It might look kind of stupid on here, but I'm sure once I take pictures it'll look nice and smooth. All right, I'm just gonna do my lips off camera and then I'll be right back, and that will conclude the video. Okay guys, so this is my completed look for today. I hope that you guys liked the video. It was really fun to film, and I'm sorry if my eye looks like cloudy on this side because my contact is literally so covered in makeup I can't even see out of it. I was gonna do little space buns, but they turned into like space pigtails, and I don't know, I'm feeling it. So I had a lot of fun filming for you guys, and I can't wait to make some TikToks. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, you should follow me on TikTok. If you guys have not already, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you guys get notified every time that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.